In this video, I'm going to show you how to play also with mouse and keyboard. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to enter on Wolso app, okay? Then, log into the account that you want to play, okay? That you want to play with mouse and keyboard. Then, click right here, play, okay? And select the map that you want to play. So I will select this one just for example. Then to play with your mouse and your keyboard, you just need to drag your mouse to the circles. Then if you want to use your keyboard, you just need to press Z, okay, to play also. So instead of you using your mouse to click, you just need to press Z on your keyboard that you will play with your mouse and your keyboard, okay? I hope I helped you how to play also with mouse and keyboard. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive our footsteps.